Hey everybody, it's JJ Conway. As you can see, my computer is full. I got a problem. I recorded 3 interviews today as well as a book club recording. I got to get this stuff downloaded, edited, and back out the door. What am I going to do? Well, I do what I always do, right? I go into my search tools, I click on the search button, and I expect my search box to show up, my search menu, so I can search for the big stuff. And there's no search button at the top of my page. Normally with Windows 10, if I click in the search box, a little tab shows up here that says search. And apparently hundreds of other people are having problems because they've all been on the Microsoft support page asking for help. What does Microsoft support help say? Well, it says go into your file, do your change file and folder, go into search, restore your defaults, which mine had down here, always search the file name and contents, because that's what I like to do. But I did the defaults. No help. I go back into my search. I even rebooted my computer, which I'm not going to do because it'll cut off the recording here. But still, no search tab at the top. Person after person is having problems with it. People did diagnostic. Windows support folks that do a diagnostic. Do this systems check. Everybody did everything and didn't fix anything. So here's what one brave soul told us to do. He said if you put the kind and colon in the search bar, it will bring up the search tool. So I said, oh, let me give that a shot. If I go in here, if I type kind, and I know it was up there in the auto text, but for those of you who haven't tried this yet, it won't let me click it from the auto text. I don't know why it even shows up there. If I do kind equals picture, now it's going to start going through all of these pictures. And you see up here at the top of the screen, it's got the search tools tab. So I can go in and search by date modified. I can go in and search by kind, by size, by any other properties that may be filled out. All right. And so what's great about this is that it's there. What stinks about this is the minute I click on anything or go away from it to another folder, it's gone again. So there's your tip of the day. If you're trying to search for something, go ahead and just see, oh, that time it did it. Last time it wouldn't let me do it. That way you can go clean it out. I'm going to go clean out my computer now. Y'all take care and be blessed.